Built on the SE grade, additional details on the Corolla Cross Hybrid Nightshade include blacked-out badges, black outside door handles and mirrors, and an integrated rear lip spoiler. The finishing touch to the model's exterior are 3 chic paint options: a stealthy jet black, Barcelona red with jet black roof, or celestite grey with jet black roof. It is also equipped with standard accessories that are ready for life on the go, like a roof rack for extra storage, wireless charging, frameless HomeLink review mirror, and standard carpet floor mats.